Earlier today, the Nyotrab Youth Council HYC urged upon the State Joint Labour Commissioner to strictly enforce the Meghalaya Identification, Registration, Safety and Security of Migrant Workers Act 2020. In a letter submitted by its President Roy Kupar Sinrem, the Council expressed concern over migrant workers being allowed entry and employment in the state on the strength of acknowledgement slips issued by the Labour Department without proper verification of their antecedents. The HYC warned that such slips are vulnerable to forgery and misuse, citing cases detected during inspections in the Barnihat area of Ribhoi district. The council questioned the legality of allowing workers into Meghalaya or engaging them in jobs on the basis of these temporary slips, which are meant only until registration cards are issued. Demanding stricter oversight, the HYC called for contractors to be made responsible for collecting the full set of documents from labourers and submitting them to the Labour Commission. Only after official approval of these documents, it stressed, should migrant workers be permitted entry or employment in the state. The organisation further urged upon the state government to issue clear directions to the police at infiltration check gates not to accept acknowledgement slips as valid papers.
Dia sengi hari ni kijang kendra kijang ni kijang upmit kijang ni apa infiltration check gate ngilalap ya kisibuan kikot kisla kibala shu snathok kibala shu pendon kambaklad bala shu le da manu ban sna wat ya registration card but ya acknowledgement slip da ka batong kum kawe ni kikis ki bangi ngiyo menin ke sengi hang ti apa infiltration check gate bernihat ban bat ya ka registration card jong weud khat ubau thmu bandrung cha ka jala ka jongi handangi la check ya ka registration card ka date of issue la ne ka singi ka bala ai ka registration card upen iba ka de sitrik benai ba ar jong snam arja ar pun riu ya kata ka registration card la issue the registering officer na po East Giant Hills but uba sign pat deputy labor commissioner deputy labor commissioner jong ka West Castle district te kani ka pen iba ka don ka jingle athong but ngilap ru lamba ka jing don ka jong yang ti mentala news ngi ngilap ba ka don ka jing dia ka jing ya dia thiet ya kini ki registration card ka jing ya dia thiet ya ki acknowledgement slip tena kaleng jong seng ngilawan ra ya ka kot hang ni ben ngilaong ya ka labor department ba ka dei ban sim khia lo kan ni namar ngim tep bakum kini ki jing le thok le si ki la bandan di ki phau hajar di ki lak ngut ki brio na bar jela ki balawan rung wat chakni ka jela ka jong ni namar ba manu ban check Lada ulayu iya ka registration card kung mga oy la iya ka acknowledgement slip la iya ka registration card nakaliang jok ka infill ki pelat bet ki bandrung siya ka jala ka jongi te manu ban tip le si kita ki bri ki bawan bandrung siya ni ka jala ka jongi laki de ni kim de ki nong India ru namar hadin lada ka labor department kam sim lala ban verify la ni ban penti kena bakata epic utau kata ka epic ke bau tau beri submit apo labor department udai no India ngil kaladon lu ka jing keren mentan neki officer ki boong ki bapentip yang iba hakapor bi check ya ka epic jong nu beri jong beri ba apply bonsin ki lap ba ka number ka de gaju ka dur ha ka epic ka mi de kumwei ubri ba apply de kumwei komot bakini ki beri ba apply ki le thok bonsin ki le thok den dala kilalap kim accept ya ka application form kat bakini ki beri upat lamba ka acknowledgement slip kila de bandrung lupa siapa Meghalaya tena kumnu kini ki labor department la ni ka police department kan wat ya ki bakum kita ki beri tena kaleng jong seng ngilaong ba ya kini ki ba kajing le tu ya ki registration card kajing pendon kambakla kajing ya dia thiet ya kini registration card khamtam ang tiap bernihat area nakaliang jok labor department ka de ban simkhia ban pelong ya inquiry kumju ru ban pensaja ban pensitom ya kini gibri beran kiti hak ban ya dia thiet ya ki registration card tena kaliang ka jongki ngilong bakin simkhia ya kini kambat ki la kular yang iba kinsadon ka jing ya perkhat apo office ka jongki bat ya ka jing dawa la ni ki jing ai jing but ki bakaseng ka labu ahmad jong ka office nakaliang jong ka labor department kan sa simkhia ta ka jing sisa unong ai kam la ne unong ai belau de ban sim ne jing kli la da wanra nong bela nang nu nang nuru unlum mi ki kot kisla ki jongki daula yo ikikot kisla ki jong ki unwan ban submit lani on tap ka office jong ka labor kenang ba ka labor kan proses kata on dala yo kata ka registration card sa phawan ke nyik tigi nong tray ki jong kata ka di bandai ka system ko bana kleng jong ka sengi kwa ti ko makalong himenta ka sorkar ka pendek bukan don kata ka online application ban pensuk ya ka rukom trikam dan nak kleng jong ka seng hingi kwa ba kinong icam namar bah ka bukhadu hi kajing pen saja ka di bandai yo nong icam bat kumju ru yo nong tray kena kleng jong sengi kwa la long bala sorkar ka di ban pha yo nong icam bu unwan ban apply hi taladi ba andala yo ka registration card ude ban le ra sikiti nong tray bat wan nyalam ke nyiki ban wan tray syak ni ngejela ka jong